Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Hannah, and today in this video I'm going to be showing you guys 10 simple ways to style micro twist. This hairstyle is very cute and kind of like a low maintenance hairstyle. I really loved it and it lasts really long. If you want a hairstyle to like last let's say 2 months or even more, this is the hairstyle for you. I just happen to be someone who doesn't know how to like keep hair for more than 2 months. Even more than 1 month is it's a struggle for me. This hairstyle I kept it for about 6 weeks. I'm just going to let you guys watch and enjoy it. These are hairstyles that each of them shouldn't last more than 5 minutes. You can just quickly get this style done and head out for either events, social gatherings, official purposes. Choose your pick. There is a style for basically everything, even for like church events, things like that. Let me know in the comment section when you're done watching your favorite style, and yeah, just basically enjoy. Okay, if you have any question, let me know in the comment section. I'll be there for your questions, and yeah, enjoy.